Okay, step one complete. We have our baseboard on here and its steps to go along with, to kind of disguise the slant that's going on here. Do a little caulking right here. So we have 3 layers. So that all looks good. I had it notched it up to kind of highlight that. I didn't want to cover as much of that up. Plus these come out more. Now on this side, rather than put that board across there right now, I decided now is a better time to do this concrete work here. So I filled some stone in here where the steps is out a little bit. It's in tight here. So I don't think it moved necessarily. Well, it could have. But either way, we have holes here and along the bottom. So I just broomed it out really good. I'm going to go get some water, mix up some concrete, and we're going to concrete that all in right now. That way in the morning it's all good to go and I can put that bottom board on. Okay, so that's where we're at. Probably get the headlight on. It's getting dark a little bit. But let's get that taken care of.